transportation revolution that will change Korea is about to begin. Connecting the metropolitan region in under 1 hour. With Korean technology that is recognized by the world. With economically efficient private financing. The happiness equation that takes the rush out of rush hours, gets rid of traffic jams and pollution, multiplies efficiency, and divides joy. The metropolitan transportation revolution that will change Korea. Great Transit Express. New transportation is about to begin in Korea. GTX is a high-speed transit network that connects Seoul and Dongtan in under 18 minutes and the metropolitan area in under 1 hour at speeds of over 200 kilometers per hour. By constructing the railway 40 meters underground through cities on a straight course and minimizing stops, GTX is a safe and convenient transportation network that boasts 3 times the speed of the existing subway. The construction, which takes place 40 meters underground, causes near zero compensation costs or local complaints, which dramatically reduces the construction costs and duration. GTX, which connects the center of Seoul to key cities in Gyeonggi-do in all 4 directions of Gyeonggi-do, will serve as the main transportation network of the metropolitan region. By creating synergy with existing transportation networks, it will connect every part of Gyeonggi-do faster and more conveniently than cars. GTX. It's the optimal measure to resolve Korea's urban transportation and environmental issues.
GTX adds new happiness to our cities and our lives.
With a peak speed of 200 kilometers per hour, GTX will make your everyday lives more abundant as the fastest underground railway in the world. GTX will create over 2 trillion won in social benefits every year and create 260,000 new jobs from various commercial and cultural industries that are created in link with the high-tech railway.
GTX is a green transportation revolution that reduces environmental pollution and the number of cars on the road.
$5 trillion won in Seoul, 12 trillion won in the metropolitan area, and 23 trillion won nationwide. These are the amounts of money that disappear on the face of the road due to traffic issues. The cities that are oriented around cars and roads, it's time to take out what we can. The operation of GTX will reduce over 380,000 cars from roads each day. It will also reduce 1.49 million tons of CO2 emissions and save over 600 billion won of energy-related costs every year. The transportation revolution of GTX will add a new green growth engine to our economy.
GTX will heighten the efficiency of our nation.
We are now living in an era where cities with advanced railways lead the nation's competitive strengths. The French regional express network RER has created a network of Paris and 5 nearby satellite cities, and it is leading the nation's competitive edge. From the Moscow Metro and the London Crossrail to the Metro Rail in Washington, D.C., most leading nations are choosing underground regional express railways to create large city networks.
GTX is a way to share and spread the various functions of our nation.
GTX will bring the cities and nearby regions closer with its high-speed and on-time operations. The convenient connection system with existing life zones and transportation networks. The transportation revolution that runs at 3 times the speed of existing railways, reducing traffic jams and pollution and creating economic and environmental benefits. All these benefits will strengthen Korea's competitiveness, and the benefits will be enjoyed by everyone in the nation.
21세기는 대도시 간 경쟁 시대입니다. 수도권의 고질적인 교통 문제를 해결하지 못하면 치열한 세계 경쟁에서 이길 수 없습니다. 서울과 경기도가 훨씬 더 가까워지고 한층 더 경쟁력 있는 메가시티로 성장하는 길, 수도권 광역급행철도는 대한민국의 미래를 여는 교통혁명입니다.
Adding satisfaction to our lives. Subtracting pollution and waste from cities. Multiplying the values of Korea. Dividing joy with more people from far away. The high-speed drive toward green growth everyone dreams of. GTX is the equation for Korea's happiness.